You good?
I'm good.
You're gonna slay this. I can tell by the look in your eyes.
Okay, now. Popus, ask me something. Anything about Lizzie.
Okay, what's her favorite food?
Raw fish and garlic bread.
What language is she studying part-time?
Spanish.
Hola.
Hola, amigo.
Oh.
Wait, listen to this. ¿Quieres ser mi novia?
Smooth. Yeah.
Damn, she's here. Act natural.
Hey guys, what's up?
Nothing. Just chilling on the couch.
Oh, like that? You look like you fell off a building and splattered in the corner.
Hush, darling. Nobody puts baby in the corner.
Hey, Liz. Hola?
Oh, tú hablas español.
Sí, ves. The bullfight. Me, you. Grass. Grass me.
You want me to... Oh, I'll get it.
Novia. The word is novia. Just say, ¿quieres mi girlfriend?
Sorry about that. What were you saying?
Who's that?
Oh, this is Winston. Winston, this is my flatmates and good friends. It's Juju and Jordan.
Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Talofa.
What were you saying, Jordan? Winston, Jordan was just speaking Spanish to me. Winston speaks 5 languages.
Well, can he speak Samoan?
Wa mai oi.
Fijian?
Savada tiko.
Tongan?
Saipe malo.
This guy is incredible. An island boy that speaks 5 languages. He probably has a job as well.
I work for Greenpeace, outreach program that puts clean water into villages around the Pacific.
You're amazing.
Eres asombrosa.
Jordan, are you okay, my friend?
It's just so much dust in the room.
Hey, what's in the bag?
Oh, it's something that I...
Before you open that, Lizzie, I brought you a little something.
Oh, thanks. Raw fish and garlic bread, my favourite. How did you know?
What can I say?
Thank you.